Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a browser that supports system audio. Chrome or Edge works best. Join the meet and have the content ready. Click Present Now and select either your entire screen or a specific window. Once done, check the preview. If you picked a tab or window, make sure the audio source is playing. You do this early to avoid reselecting devices mid-call. Make sure volume is audible on your device before continuing to the next steps. Now you enable system audio explicitly. If you share a Chrome tab, tick the Share Audio checkbox. This sends tab audio to participants. If you share your entire screen or an app window, enable system audio in your operating system sound settings so Meet can capture it. Then open Meet settings via the three-dot menu, choose Audio, and confirm the output device matches where the sound plays. Once set, play a short clip to verify participants can hear it clearly. Finish by asking someone to confirm they hear the shared audio. You want immediate feedback. If they don't, first ensure the tab isn't muted, your system volume and output device are correct, and Meet's microphone/output settings are set properly. If audio still fails, stop sharing and restart the Meet or switch to Chrome/Edge. Relaunching the browser often clears permission glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: reload the tab and re-enable Share Audio. That fixes most capture issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.